Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. And today I am sitting in a 2022 ISUZU MU-X and I'm going to show you how to actually release the shift lock. So the shift lock is there for if the car is running and you have kids in the car, so that no one can accidentally move this gear stick back into drive without a driver being in the seated position with their foot on the brake. But you do need to sometimes move this if the car has broken down, your battery's gone flat, or it will not start. Then you will need to actually use the shift lock release mechanism. So to do that, I'm going to actually use our key, and you can see I've started to actually pull the key portion out there by releasing that switch. And I'm just going to reposition the camera to show you how it's done. So once you've got this portion here, you can actually go ahead, push that into this slot here. And once you press it down, you'll actually be able to move it. Just to show you before, you cannot move it. Push that down. You can now move it all the way down to drive or back into neutral. You can actually move it all the way up into park, but it still won't move again until you do press the shift lock. And then you can move it around again. So that's how easy it is to use the shift lock mechanism on a 2022 ISUZU MU-X. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.